Let me ask you something, parent to parent. When you look at the future your child is walking into, do you feel prepared? Because if you're like most of us, the answer is probably no. Between the rise of AI, school systems that can't keep up, and job markets that might not even exist in 10 years, it's overwhelming. I get it. I'm a mom of two girls. One's about to turn 13, the other's 11. And lately, I've been asking myself the same questions you probably have. Will college still matter? Will my child be replaced by a robot? Am I even teaching them the right things anymore? This isn't about fear. It's about clarity. Because while AI is changing everything, it's also unlocking something beautiful, a chance to raise more curious, adaptable, emotionally intelligent kids than we've ever seen. So today, I'm going to walk you through 10 future-proof skills your child needs to thrive in an AI-driven world. Some of these you've never heard anyone talk about, but they're essential. Skill number 1, prompt power. If you've never heard of prompt engineering, get ready to hear it everywhere. The kids who thrive won't just use AI, they'll guide it. Teach your child how to ask clear, curious questions. For example, instead of, "What's a volcano?" teach them to ask, "How would a volcano react if it erupted underwater?" Tools, ChatGPT. This conversational AI tool helps kids practice asking better questions, exploring new topics, and getting instant feedback. Think of it as a creative tutor that never sleeps. Tool, po.com, a kid-friendly browser with multiple AI models to experiment with. Great for teaching comparison and flexibility in AI thinking. Practice tip, play a game at dinner where your child talks to an AI, you pretend to be the bot. Skill number 2, human plus machine communication. Ironically, the more AI grows, the more human connection matters. Can your child explain their thoughts, tell a story, speak up for themselves? Storytelling, public speaking, and clear writing will become high-value currencies. As machines become more fluent, our kids need to stay human. Public speaking, storytelling, and even text messaging with clarity, these are power skills.
Tool.
Canva Docs plus video editor lets kids design slide decks, stories, and short explainer videos. Helps them visualize and verbalize their thoughts clearly. Tool, Grammarly, not just spell check. This tool teaches kids tone, clarity, and better sentence structure. It's like having a writing coach baked into every assignment. Practice tip, start a family podcast, record conversations or stories together weekly. Skill number 3, creativity as currency. AI can do logic. What it can't do is imagine your child's version of the world. The future belongs to inventors, dreamers, remixers. Let them paint, animate, make beats, build imaginary businesses. AI can replicate, but it can't originate. Your child's creativity is a competitive edge that cannot be automated. Tool, Scratch. This free MIT platform lets kids build animations, games, and interactive stories using code blocks. It makes coding playful and imaginative. Tool, Adobe Express, a visual design app where they can make posters, short videos, or mood boards. It helps them develop a visual vocabulary early. Practice tip, let them create digital art using a prompt from their own dream. Skill number 4, critical thinking and truth discernment deepfakes. Misinformation, clickbait. Your child will need to spot the lie before it goes viral. Teach them to challenge sources, compare perspectives, and slow down before reacting. Our kids are growing up in an age of deep fakes and viral misinformation. Knowing what to question is now more important than knowing all the answers. Tool, News Literacy Project, offers games and quizzes that teach kids how to spot fake headlines, misleading language, and emotional manipulation online. Tool, Factitious, a fun game where kids swipe left or right on articles based on whether they think they're real or fake. Fast-paced and surprisingly eye-opening. Practice tip, show 2 TikToks and ask which one feels manipulative, then explain why. Skill number 5, emotional intelligence. This is your child's superpower. The world doesn't need more coders. It needs humans who can feel, lead, and connect. Practice naming emotions, resolving conflict, apologizing with intention. In a world of bots, your child's ability to feel deeply and connect with others is what makes them irreplaceable. EQ isn't just a nice to have, it's a leadership skill. Tool Mood Meter. This app, based on Yale's research, helps kids identify, label, and reflect on their emotions, builds vocabulary and self-awareness. Tool Big Life Journal, a printable or digital journal that walks kids through gratitude, resilience, and self-reflection. Designed for emotional growth through writing and art. Practice tip, ask at bedtime, what emotion showed up the most in your day? Skill number 6, Unlearning Plus, mental flexibility. AI will evolve constantly, so must your child. Flexibility is about unlearning outdated ideas and starting over with grace. Create safe spaces for failure. Reward experiments, not perfection. Rigid thinking breaks in a fast-moving world. Your child needs to unlearn outdated beliefs as fast as they pick up new ones. Tool, Mindset Works. Created by Dr. Carol Dweck, this online program helps kids practice growth mindset skills with interactive challenges and games. Tool, Brainscape. Uses smart flashcards and spaced repetition, helping kids build and revise mental models without clinging to memorization. Practice tip, hold a failure dinner. Each person shares one thing they failed at that day. Skill 7, digital self-defense. Your child is growing up online. The digital world is their world. Teach them privacy, consent, identity theft prevention, and healthy tech boundaries. They're growing up on devices. The least we can do is teach them how to navigate safely. That includes consent, identity safety, and media hygiene. Tool, Google's Be Internet Awesome, a gamified platform where kids learn internet safety, online kindness, and password smarts in fun quests. Tool Custodio, a parental control app that also teaches kids how to manage screen time and app usage in real time, building awareness, not just restrictions. Practice tip, watch an influencer's day in the life and ask, what's real? What's performance? Skill number 8, entrepreneurial thinking. In the AI era, everyone is a brand, your child included. Whether they become a doctor, designer, or drone pilot, thinking like a builder is essential. Teach value creation, problem solving, and independent thinking. Tools, lemonade stand simulation, Shopify for kids, kid-friendly Shark Tank clips. Practice tip, ask, what problem at school would you solve if you had $100? Hey, if you are enjoying this content, please take this second to like, subscribe, and comment. It's completely free and it helps my channel tremendously. Skill number 9, global awareness and cultural fluency. AI is global. So are the challenges your child will help solve. Let them learn languages, customs, history, not for school, but for connection. AI has no borders, neither should your child's mind. Understanding people, customs, and problems outside their zip code will set them apart. Tool, Duolingo, offers gamified language learning for kids. Even just 5 minutes a day builds confidence and global curiosity. Tool, Google Earth Projects, lets them virtually explore landmarks, neighborhoods, and stories from around the globe. Geography becomes real. Practice tip, choose a country of the month and explore its food, holidays, and kids' lives. Skill 10. Collaboration with AI. AI isn't the enemy, it's the paintbrush. Kids who treat it like a partner and amplifier of their ideas will stand out. Let them experiment, let them build, let them collaborate with AI to create something original. Our children won't compete with AI, they'll co-create with it. The sooner they learn to treat AI like a teammate, not a threat, the more powerful they'll become. Tool, DALL-E, an image generator by OpenAI that creates stunning visuals from written prompts. great for building visual thinking and design skills. Tool, Luma AI, a 3D rendering app that lets kids turn photos or ideas into immersive experiences. Think future game design meets architecture. Practice tip. Let's write a story together. One paragraph from you, one from the AI. Stat check, did you know? According to McKinsey, 50% of today's work activities could be automated by 2030. A World Economic Forum report says 65% of children entering primary school today will end up in jobs that don't even exist yet. Yet emotional intelligence, creativity, and critical thinking are listed as top survival skills for future success. Here's what I know as a mother. Your child doesn't need to be a tech genius to thrive. They need to be curious, resilient, emotionally grounded, and open to learning for life. It's about raising kids who know how to adapt, empathize, and lead, whether they're building robots or building relationships. That's where the real edge lies. So don't panic about AI. Partner with it. Let your child build with it, play with it, question it. Let your kids explore. Let them fail. Let them fall in love with learning all over again. And most of all, be present. No app, no AI, no platform can replace the wisdom of a parent who's paying attention. And know this, you are the most advanced teacher your child will ever have. AI is here, but so are we. Let's raise kids who are not just future-proof, but future builders. Cheers in advance to raising the most empowered, future-ready generation the world has ever seen. Discover the roots of my journey in the 2 a.m. Code. Grab my book on Amazon or download the audiobook on Audible, Apple Books, or anywhere audiobooks are sold. If this resonated, hit like, subscribe, and share it with another parent who's trying to figure this all out. You're not behind, you're right on time. Let's raise them wise. This is the new parenting, and you're not alone in it.